Hey guys, it's Becky from thecookierookie.com and I have one of my absolute favorite recipes today, 15-minute mac and cheese. This is an awesome recipe for any night of the week. My 1-year-old absolutely loves this recipe, but it's also a great holiday side dish. I love that it's so simple, customizable, and made in 15 minutes. Creamy, cheesy, delicious. This is gonna be a winner that your family makes again and again. Let's get started. First, we're just gonna mix all of our ingredients except for the melted butter in this bowl right here. We've got evaporated milk, 1 egg. This helps to kind of thicken the pasta, make things extra creamy. Nutmeg, a little bit of Dijon mustard, dried basil. You can also use fresh basil if you'd like. Salt and pepper. Gonna mix this together real quick, and then we're actually gonna add the cheese into this. All the while you're cooking your noodles. This is what makes it so simple. You just make everything while the noodles cook, and then once they're cooked, you're ready to go. So that's good. We're gonna add our cheese to this mixture. We're just using a cheddar blend today, but you can use any of your favorite cheese. It's a great way to customize it. You can make ham and Swiss mac and cheese, bacon and cheddar, whatever you like. This is a great just base recipe for all of your favorites. Great, so that is finished. And our noodles are actually done as well. So we're gonna strain these, and then we're actually gonna make the mac and cheese right in the hot pot. It'll make things extra creamy, delicious, cheesy. Makes it easier to melt the cheese if you're doing it right in the pot. So I will strain this and be right back. Okay, I strained the noodles and we are ready to add our melted butter to the noodles. This makes sure that every noodle gets coated in butter, makes them not stick together, makes things not gummy. It's a great trick when you're making stovetop mac and cheese. So you want to do that first before adding in the egg and cheese mixture. Just coat all of the noodles in butter. If you have a really little one, they might like this better than the mac and cheese itself. And then we are going to mix in our cheese mixture. Keep on low heat while you combine so that all the cheese mixes up great, and pretty soon you'll have creamy, dreamy mac and cheese under 15 minutes. Miracle recipe when you're a busy mom or dad at home. This is one of our favorite things to make Henry at night when we don't know what to cook. Even happens to the food bloggers. Just keep stirring until everything is melted and fully combined. Okay, you'll start to see things getting a little bit melty, and that's when you know it's about done. And you can just keep it on low while the family eats and comes back for seconds and thirds, because they definitely will. Got creamy mac and cheese on your hands. Hop over to thecookierookie.com for the full recipe.